Hello, my name is Carla, and I'm a native English speaker from the United States. I live between the US, France, and Spain, so I can also speak French and Spanish. I have a bachelor's degree in finance and economics from the California State University of Los Angeles. I have worked in the United States for over 5 years, working in sales and marketing. In France, I have 2 years of teaching experience working with young children and young adults between the ages of 11 and 18 years old. I focus on pre-beginner, beginner, intermediate, and advanced level conversation. With young children, we will focus on making English fun with repetition, songs, and games. For young adults, we can focus on oral expression and exam preparation. For adults, we can cover casual conversation, business English, and for leisure and travel. As a former French language student, I understand the difficulties of learning a new language, so I can show you the methods I've used to improve my conversation skills in a foreign language. I am currently looking for motivated students who need customized lesson plans to achieve their English level goals. By clicking on this video, you are one step away from learning conversational English with me, no matter your English level. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you reach your English language goals and becoming your future English tutor.